back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this airsoft gun. It's really cool. It's not even real. It's got an orange tip and everything. So I'm going to do the review on it. You guys ready? The first thing it is we have a tactical laser sight on it. There's the box for it. It's not in here right this minute. It's on my airsoft gun. Sorry, I got to set you down there for a second. But it comes in a box like this and has 3 wrenches to adjust it, however you need. So here's the gun. This is the gun. It's pretty cool. It's my laser sight here. It does have a tip on it. Right here, this way in case you shoot it. See, this way in case you shoot it, the bullet doesn't come out. There's the orange tip. To release the mag, well, I should say it's the p30 airsoft pistol, not full auto. You just push this button to drop the mag. It's on both sides. The mag looks like this. I think it's 15 rounds. 15 is what I said, just so you guys know. That's what it looks like. I'm just going to set you guys up like right here. Now you want to slide that back in. Yep, it's on safety. Now you just cock it back like this. And it's all ready to be fired. If the thing gets stuck like this, because it means you're out of ammo, you just push this button and it'll go forward like this. So I'm going to show you what it shoots. So it shoots airsoft bullets. I got some yellow BBs in there. This is what I use. Shoots, I forget what it was. It's 12 green, but I think it's, I forget exactly what it is. I think it's, down here, 6mm BBs. They're just little BBs. And I have an airsoft rifle, but I don't have it right now. So now I'm going to show you guys how it shoots. Guys, we're back outside with the airsoft gun. I'm going to show you guys how to load it. So first you want to take out the mag. Turn you guys around. Just make sure you guys are facing the right way. Just like that. Now you want to take your airsoft BBs and load the mag. Certainly you just push in, hold it right here, and then just keep filling them up. This way they don't shoot out. This is not a full auto gun. Keep in mind I will be going to grab glasses. I'm not shooting without glasses. Takes its second to load. Alright, there we go. We're at 15 rounds. Just make sure. Take this off. Yeah, I didn't think it had anything in it. Stick that in for now. And I'm going to cock it a second. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Stay. Airsoft mask for when we play airsoft. It's just a regular old full face mask. It's bulletproof. I've already tested it with my pistol. See inside it, it's not bad. Alright, we're gonna be shooting it now. So now what you wanna do is you wanna cock it like this. Make sure that's out. Let's turn you guys around. Alright, here we guys go. It's not loud at all. you can do it like that. You just always have to cock it back like this every time and fire. But now when it goes like this, it's gonna look like this. So what you want to do is you want to turn your gun around. This button right here, push down, fire. Yeah, we're out now, that's what I thought. Take my mask off. Alright, so I just took my mask off, which is right over there. This is a full review on the HK p30 6mm BBs. And later I'll be doing a review on the other, or in a few videos. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, let me stop you guys now.